Hello, everyone. Today I visited Oxford by 2 hours bus. I was very excited about this travel. Oxford is a famous city. One of the reasons is many film scenes in Oxford, for example, Harry Potter, Alice in Wonderland. Not only the film scenes, but also the buildings are quite ancient and unique. Here is Christ Church at the University of Oxford. Please purchase the tickets online and choose the time before you visit. I joined a self-guided multimedia guide tour. I can listen to the introduction about these areas from the self-guided multimedia with different languages. These areas are still part of colleges for students and teachers to have lessons and lunch. So part of the areas visitors cannot visit, and please follow the regulations. Here is my very expected and exciting part, because there is a film scene in Harry Potter. This is one of the libraries at the University of Oxford. It is a large library and has lots of books and articles in there. Here is a church at the university. Very beautiful, but I haven't taken many videos in church. Oxford is a nice city. I will go there again and visit different places and enjoy the culture there. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscription and share this channel and videos.